what is up, YouTube? I have 3 NASCAR unboxings I will be doing here of William Byron and Alex Bowman. 2-pack here. Joe Logano and Brad Keselowski. And Ryan Blaney and Paul Menard. And before I open this, I'm going to show you something I noticed. In that 24 car, there's a paint chip on the window, so to make that one clear, and I will open probably the least favorite driver pack. Paul Menard and Ryan Blaney. No, Paul Menard is going to be retiring after the end of the season. So, yeah, he ain't getting a win anytime soon. He's only had one career win. He's probably the least favorite driver in NASCAR. I don't know about that, but I'm pretty sure he is. These are somewhat difficult to get open. I ain't gonna lie. It's like hard. You gotta twist it and everything to try and get it loose. There's a hole, but I can't get my finger in it. Alright, oh, here we go. Got it opening here. Okay. First car that comes out, I'm gonna be reviewing. Oh crap, this is hard. Alright. No, it came out first. And now Blaney, man, this was difficult. Took me like around a minute just to open this. Okay. So I'm gonna zoom in here on these 2 cars. So here's the Ryan Blaney car that you get here. Pretty nice, beautiful scheme. I really like this car. Yeah, Ford Mustang, which all the cars have like the same exact body style on it, same exact mold. And here's the Paul Menard car. Oh, yeah, I should have started with Paul Menard, my bad. Oops. Oh, last car I opened. There's a lot of icons there on the back, Quicken Loans. I don't have Paul Menard's 2019 car yet. Oh, man, this is a pretty cool car. I really like it. Oh, wait. They couldn't smooth out the wrap there. Okay, see that little... There's a couple bumps. Oh, wrap near the tire there. Paint chip. Couple paint chips. 2 paint chips. Okay, now next pack we're gonna be opening will be, let's do Joe Logano and Brad Keselowski. Why not? I'm gonna save the big name for later, for after unboxing Keselowski and Logano. So Keselowski, gonna hopefully try to remember this time to review that car first. And the back is pretty much Same with every pack here that you get. Man, it's taking me 5 freaking minutes just to, around 4 minutes to open a car. Okay. Here is the Brad Keselowski car. Pretty nice car, I really like it. Which I will have a 187 scale race, so I will be doing a sign up video for them. If I get enough, there's a paint chip right there where the Ford symbol is, well, near the Ford. Come on, sweet camera. Oh, I'm really sorry about this. The camera is just focus. Yeah, see. There we go. Paint chip where the white is on the black. Okay, it looks like there's the air bubble or something that going on in that joint. Paint chip at the bottom. Really? Alright, Mustang. And now to Laguna. This I really love. I really love the 187 scale Laguna car. This is probably one of my favorites. I mean, I'm somewhat of a big Laguna fan. I'm alright. He's alright to win. Not the championship. Not a big fan of him winning the championship, but still, eh. Pretty nice, slick car. I really like it. Pennzoil shell. Okay, there we go. Alright, now to the last pack. William Byron and Alex Bowman. I'm just opening the one I see better, like not better technically, but just one I see easier to get out. But it looks like Byron was easier to get out than Bowman. Okay, that's odd. So, like I was saying, there's some paint chips on the crap. Holy, okay. And the windshield there. Really nice 24 car. I really like it. Really love this game for Byron. There we go. Really nice scheme. I really like it. Possibly one of my favorite schemes William Byron has run. Well, can't say that. The 2019 Coke 0400 was a pretty cool race. Now, Bowman, if you haven't seen the recent video for Hendrick Motorsports, then you should go watch it. His playoff car is probably one of the best looking playoff cars on the track. Oh, what the crap did they do to the back? Oh my gosh. They freaking screw up everything. Look at that. That's still a pretty cool car. They messed up the freaking 24 and the 88. Look at that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, but before it's over, I'm just gonna show y'all all the 187 scale cars I have. And plus I have the Jimmy Johnson car, which here I need to find it real quick. Okay, I lied. I got a lot more. 2 Kevin Harvick cars, 2 Jimmy Johnson cars, 2 Chase Elliott cars, and all the others are just singles. So that right there is the complete wave of the 187 scale NASCAR 2-packs. And that is the whole complete wave here. Which of course those 2 were in a pack. All those were in one. That was in one pack, that one was in one pack, that one was in one pack. And the 8 and the 3 were another. 19, 18 were in a pack. The 6 and 17 were in a pack back there. The 12, 21, and of course the ones that, the 2, no, the 3 I showed you today. So that is my whole collection of 187 scale NASCAR diecast. So yeah, I'll be doing a sign up video for them, or you can, yeah, just don't sign up for in this video. I'll do a complete separate sign up video and on sometime later on. But please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be doing more NASCAR unboxing. See ya.